So what me I go say right now, Vibes Cartel build the dancehall culture, right? Meanwhile, Alkaline change the sound. I
represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them lock.
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. So I see the clip of people and I say, yo, I have to take a review and put my thoughts in it. You see me and my opinion. You don't know. Yeah, man. Big up Keem. You see it. I must see with it. So, yeah, man. But we'll listen what the brother has say.
This argument will never end. And more want to drop a comment and tell me if I lie, me I tell. Or if you disagree, I agree with the statement. So what me I go say right now, Vibes Cartel build the dancehall culture, right?
Alright. This are the thing. Vibes Cartel help build the culture. The way you make it sound a while ago, make it feel like say him create dancehall or build that. Every one man can't build dancehall. It have to take a bunch of artists to build it. You understand? Because we can't listen to one man music every day. we are listen to different music. So him help build. You understand?
Meanwhile, Alkaline change the sound. I don't disagree. Anyway, I go divert from this a little.
Yeah, Alkaline change the genre by sound, and a sound alone though is a lot of things. Like the vision pan the music and what do I call it? The industry shift based on people start tuning to young artists, right? And remember say Alkaline kinda do a different type of music where a lot of these young artists even fall off. You understand? Cartel do it too. Yeah, him do it. Couple artists fall off of it and you know, whatever. But I don't really say every artist because I always wonder why people always give Cartel the full credit, the full credit when it comes to the young artists, them do them thing. Like remember say you have Movado. And Movado make Cartel start sing Jane. You understand? So some of the time when me hear them put Cartel like Cartel make them young youths, Movado was one of the brother where you have like Valiant them and them man they where I do some sing J. Even Cartel himself learned from Movado. So when me say yo, una put one man for impact the culture when this a man was a man, make the youths them can do melodies and everything in a song. Even war in a melody and them something. You understand? That's what me never really like because remember we can't give a one man credit and now give the next man credit. You understand? Because back then Cartel did do this Ukuman, Tukuman, them look like Bounty them did do it. You know them rough fights there, all of them look something them. My father and say, war is in the air. You know, like a Sing J style. Yeah. That was Movado impact on the young youths them too. So we have to put that into consideration as well. You understand?
So you know say Vibes Cartel have him straight vibes room, not street vibes. That a way thing we in I pass. And now yesterday, Alkaline launching app named Alkaline app. Well, the way me understand from the app here, him launched it for his birthday. Because the 19th of December was his birthday. That was yesterday. And him launching app on the 19th. This app is based or was built for his fans to know his current affairs. Whether new music, behind the scene of a music, if he might drop merch, or any sort of business he might plan for drop. I know say when I go say why not IG, why not Facebook, why not TikTok, why not YouTube? Because all of them platforms there are already there. But mark me, Alkaline use this as a way and means to make additional income. Because the moment you subscribe to the app, you know say you have to pay a fee.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you with the app now because I think the app never built for specifically money wise and because this is more bigger than money. You understand? It is called marketing and getting the fans for more in tune with the artist just in a one category based by alright, everything what Alkaline do, it then at the app. Yeah. You understand? If you go buy album, buy merch, whatever, anything Alkaline a do, them follow the right as if come do that. Yes, people are gonna subscribe. But this app is like a part of a marketing strategy for the artists. And is a community. You understand? Because this is the thing. The app is like they have like Netflix, what you could say, Instagram, all of these things. These apps are based on marketing. You subscribe and then you push out brands out there. You see it, push out pages, whatever you have for endorse or, that's what the app built for. Because as you say, them could have used IG, this, that. No. Because remember saying IG have a lot of things going on. And IG is not about one person. It's a lot of person it a market. Everybody in the world who famous, way underdogs, everything. But Alkaline app is all about Alkaline. And if a market him thing, connect him thing with the fan base. You understand? So that the app are mostly like, yeah, for him fans. But the app is more than money. You understand? It's more than money. This is just more than money. Yeah, money I got there behind it. But it's a part of connecting with the fans where, look here, like, say if you buy a music on iTunes, right? You have to have one iPhone, and not everybody have iPhone. So look here now, through the app, you maybe get access, so you could have buy it. You could have buy that through the app, download the app on a iPhone or Android phone. Yes, you still can buy it. But without the app, you'd have to go iTunes. Say you got support iTunes, say you want to buy a song. You have to have an iPhone for that. If you have Android, you can't do it. So the app now give all access to anybody who really want to support the artist, which is the fan base. Or anybody outside of the fan base who want to support Alkaline without no problems. I have iPhone, so I can support no song on iTunes and certain little things. Seem like you have your bank account app. You understand, where you just have access, you pay your bills, do everything where then you don't go on the road for go pay your bills or certain little things. You can't even buy credit in the app. So it a market the brand more, while yes, money is there, but it's bigger than money. You understand? So this is the thing where it's a good look for the artists, and trust me, this even gonna change the game. This I gonna change the game. You understand? This is a great move for such a large fan base in a dancehall. You don't know vendetta. You understand? Yeah. So it's more than money, It's more like marketing and get the fans, so the fans them can support in a more easier way. Yeah.
So, that's why I say, Alkaline change the nature of dancehall. But a Vibes Cartel build the culture. Because here why I say Vibes Cartel build the culture now. A lot of dancehall artists out there haven't made their brand relevant. And Vibes Cartel do it. And right now, Alkaline come do it. It make him brand relevant. And if you don't disagree with me, want to use up the comment section to tell me what you think. Because I fast me attack. Which other dancehall artists out there have them own brand what that is relevant except Ramesh, who is an entertainer and also a producer?
But bro, Ramesh, yo man, tell you, Ramesh is not an artist, brother. So I feel like at the wrong comparisons. He's not an artist. You understand? So I don't know what you mean. And Ramesh is a producer. And I don't think Ramesh produce. The man just is a marketing manager. I'm just a businessman. And I really say producer. Him have workers where produce for him. But and I like say him do the rhythm and him just control the business. You understand? But no means say him are the actual producer we are putting rhythms. No, I don't think Ramesh do that. But he manage the producer. He manage the producer, which under him business. You understand? But Alkaline have him brands. Him have new rules. Him have data gears, which is Alkaline gears. Cartel. What does I say now? Cartel have a brand? I'm not sure of that still. Yeah, I know in partnership, but like the full owner of a brand, I not think so. Because the only thing what we can say Cartel have is when you talk about brand is what do you call it? The street vibes rum. I think Cartel are more like a what? Ambassador or some partnership thing. I don't know. Yeah. But like for fully own the brand, like and the theme name exactly. Yeah, me not think him of that. Even the street vibes rum. It was a partnership, Corey had, you know. It was just like a face of it, you know. That's what me say still, but me know say yo, the owner of a brand. Majority of artists in a dancer, them not really have no brand still, you know. Them not really have no brand. We know Alkaline have new rules, which is a brand. You don't know it's a be sure that, and him have him Data Gears, Alkaline store. Yeah, him have that. You understand? But I don't know. In the comments, you can tell me what the brand with Cartel have like him really officially 100% own the brand. I don't know. I'm not sure of that. You understand? But I saw the thing said. You see me? Cause I feel like that artist own them brand, but I don't know. I don't know if them really have that mindset there for say, yo, them own that brand here. Because enough of these artists, it's just when once them boss, it's just girl and money. Or just that to me. Them not focus on building them brand, building them structure. That's why a lot of artists even fall off. A lot of artists fall off because them not focus on building them brand, building them value as an artist. You understand? Them only focus on the hype and the fame, the girls and the money, big car, big house. Yeah, that's how them focus on. Them not really bring a brand. So one of them thing the people, the artists, them from only focus on that and build them thing, but I don't know. Cause majority of them is a ghetto youth, and when them reach the artist stage, them not really majority of the people them there around them is not people who have a structure mindset for motivate them and say, yo, do this youth. It's like majority of them is like them a come from the ghetto from nothing to something. So when them bust big and it's like them not used to certain stuff like money and so them just start gal it out, maybe going a badness. All of these things. Them more like for just bring down them brand, as an artist. So that's why, them not try focus on just marketing themselves. You see me? Them just knows alright. I'm gonna show you me I collect 500,000. Forward do me and my dogs, them drink some rum and all of them something. I would just easy. Get two girl, ray, this, that. Yeah. Next show come up. Yeah, that's it. Them not really market themselves. Them not build something for say, yo, this make my name stamp in a dancer. Them not focus on that. You understand? That's why them thing just draft boof after a while. Because them only focus on things when I stay and turn them in a legacy. You understand? But as I think said, I guess in a due time of year, them are going to understand and learn what I go on. You see me? But they don't know any people. Bless up on yourself, When they don't know media facts, Yeah, man. That is it.